The Czech Ministry of Defense announced the signing of a major arms deal between Lubor Koudelka, head of the Armament and Acquisitions Section, and Johan Stjärnlöv, Sales and Marketing Director at Sweden's SAAB Dynamics AB. The agreement covers the delivery of 24 Mars armored vehicles integrated with the cutting-edge RBS 70NG very short-range air defense system. These vehicles, outfitted with remote-controlled weapon stations engineered by Czech firm SVOS Preluk, will be assigned to the 25th Anti-Aircraft Missile Regiment between 2028 and 2030. The new Czech air defense vehicles are based on the locally produced 4x4 Mars platform, equipped with stabilized, remotely operated turret systems carrying triple launchers for RBS 70NG surface-to-air missiles, products of Sweden's SAAB Dynamics. This configuration provides a significant upgrade in both protection and operational capability, enabling crews to engage threats without leaving the safety of the armored vehicle. Designed to neutralize a range of modern aerial targets, such as drones, helicopters, low-flying aircraft, and cruise missiles, the RBS 70NG system boasts a reach of up to 9 kilometers and can engage targets at altitudes of up to 5,000 meters. Its laser beam riding guidance is not susceptible to jamming or countermeasures like flares, making it a resilient option in electronic warfare environments. Key features include automatic target tracking and advanced thermal imaging, allowing round-the-clock use in challenging conditions. Mounted on Mars vehicles, the system transforms traditionally static air defenses into mobile, flexible, and heavily protected platforms capable of keeping pace with frontline maneuvers. Koudelka emphasized that this acquisition represents a leap forward in ground-based air defense, both in terms of survivability and alliance interoperability. The integration of the RBS 70NG onto an armored 4x4 vehicle allows Czech forces to retire older, exposed launcher setups, significantly increasing troop safety and battlefield resilience. Colonel Jaroslav Daverny, commander of the 25th Anti-Aircraft Regiment, stated that the combination of mobility, protection, and accuracy offered by the Mars RBS 70NG system is perfectly suited to the demands of modern warfare. According to him, the ability to move and fire quickly while remaining shielded is essential for defending against today's low-flying, agile threats. Beyond the 24 mobile units, the deal includes 8 standalone RBS 70NG launcher systems, 80 missiles, training programs for personnel and maintenance staff, a full suite of spare parts, simulation platforms, and other essential support gear. The Czech military currently fields 32 RBS 70 systems, split evenly between legacy and NG models, all of which are dismounted. The new procurement will significantly expand the country's air defense capacity. The Mars platform, short for Modular Armored Reconnaissance and Security, is a flexible 4x4 combat vehicle developed by SVOS for multi-role military applications. It features STANAG Level 3 ballistic protection and is optimized for modular customization, making it suitable for roles like command post, scout vehicle, or mobile weapons carrier. Its high mobility and survivability in hostile environments make it an ideal platform for the RBS 70NG system, which will be housed in a dedicated turret module on the selected variant. SAAB's RBS 70NG, next generation, is a laser-guided, shoulder-fired missile system tailored for very short-range air defense missions. Offering precise targeting even in electronic warfare conditions, it employs the bolide missile, a fast, high-fragmentation warhead engineered to destroy everything from small UAVs to fast jets. Its stealthy laser guidance ensures that enemy aircraft remain unaware of being targeted until launch, giving operators a decisive edge. The total contract value stands at 1.86 billion Swedish kronor, approximately 4.2 billion Czech koruna or 360 million euros. This procurement marks a strategic shift in the Czech Republic's defense posture. By fielding mobile, resilient air defense systems integrated with NATO-compatible technology, Prague signals its readiness to meet evolving threats with agile, high-tech solutions built for modern combat environments.